Today we're diving into the features of the Fanttik NB8 Nano portable cordless electric sprayer, a versatile cleaning solution perfect for your outdoor adventures and home needs. This compact powerhouse comes with a 2.1-gallon detachable tank and a retractable spray head, making it easy to carry and use, whether you're in your garden, on a camping trip, or giving your pet a gentle wash. With a built-in 2,600 mAh lithium battery, you can enjoy up to 60 minutes of cleaning without the hassle of cords, and its IPX5 waterproof rating ensures durability in various conditions. The sprayer offers a mild yet effective water pressure of 72 to 98 psi, ideal for delicate flowers and sensitive pet skin, and allows you to switch between straight and fan spray patterns for versatile cleaning. Designed for convenience, it features a 118-inch long telescoping spring water hose and a USB-C charging interface, compatible with all your home chargers and portable power banks. Remember to empty the water tank before storage to prevent leaks, and note that a few drops may escape when connecting or disconnecting the tank, which is perfectly normal. With its innovative design and user-friendly features, the Fanttik NB8 Nano is your go-to portable pressure washer for a variety of cleaning tasks.